Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to make a voice call in Google Chat. So first thing we have to do, of course, open the Google Chat application. Okay, and after that just need to wait, and now you just need to decide who that you want to call in Google Chat. For example, you want to call your friends here, and after that just open the room chat, and now you just need to go click this button, this camera symbol here, or camera icon, and then you just need to click it, and there will be appear two option, either you want to have a chat audio or chat video. So if you want to make a call, just need to click a chat audio, and you will be generated into the Gmail. The call is ringing, so you just need to wait until your friends accepting your calls. So that's all the way how to make a call